Hi, I'm Heidi from WTI.
This wool blanket from Woolly Mammoth is such a great addition. It is great for any occasion. The wool is so nice and warm. This blanket is a great addition for when you're hanging out with friends trying to stay warm inside, or even if you're outside sitting with friends by a fire. It keeps you so nice and warm on those cool days. My favorite part about this blanket is that it's absolutely huge. I can wrap myself up in the blanket, and even when I have friends over, when we're sitting on the couch, we can use the whole entire blanket and I still have room. I can also sit outside with my dog all wrapped up in the blanket. My cat isn't one to sit on me, but with this blanket, she will actually sit on my lap and cuddle, which makes me so happy. I love this blanket so much and I use it all the time.
And that's my point of view.